High-quality cabinets are not only the centerpiece of home furnishings, but also works of art that inject endless warmth and happiness into a family. They give each corner a unique vitality, making the home the most beautiful place in life. Sophia Manufacturing Company Limited, with 3 large factories in Binh Duong Province, Vietnam, is dedicated to creating exquisite kitchen cabinets and bathroom cabinets for people around the world. Our advantage lies not only in abundant human and material resources, but also in advanced production equipment and lean production management philosophy. This means that we can not only meet the demand for high-quality products, but also maintain efficient production and ensure timely delivery. The Sophia Factory is not just a production venue, but also a feast of craftsmanship. We have introduced sophisticated equipment and planned and constructed international first-class assembly lines. From material preparation, white body, assemblage, paint spraying, inspection, to finished product packaging. Each link has been elaborately crafted to guarantee brilliant product quality. Our products are selling well in the US and European markets, and the vast majority of our major clients are from the top 100 enterprises in the cabinet industry. We are guaranteeing to meet the highest quality standards for our clients. The entire plant is operating in a lean production mode, striving for the pursuit of rational and efficient production, dedicated to mass customization and flexible production of diverse cabinet products, guaranteeing high-quality manufacturing. We possess an impeccable system of administration, including ISO 9001, 2015, MCP, ERP systems, OA office systems, and LACI Act compliance management, among others. Endlessly pursuing perfection as the business objective. Pursue continuous improvement in product quality, cost, and services. Persevere in performing the most sincere service with the most professional experience.